Good morning. We are looking at installing a blog using Google Blogger. And as you see, first we are on the Google page, www.google.com. And we're going to come over here and click right up where my mouse is clicking and go down to More, and we're going to look for where it says Blogger and click that button here. I already am signed into Blogger, but if you're not there, the first thing you need to do is sign into Blog. So I'm going to log out so I can sign back in and show you how to start a new blog. All right, so you'll come to this page here and click Sign In. And since it's asking me to be me, I'm going to pretend that I'm somebody else. So first of all, you cannot do this with your MyTCC email. You must use something like AOL.com, or if you already have a Gmail that's not MyTCC, or anything else like that. So you're going to sign in with some other email. Let's do EthelMay55.gmail.com was my bulldog. So I've made an account with her so I can show you, and it doesn't show that that's right. So you're going to have to come up with a Gmail account that actually works. So I'm going to go ahead and put mine in here, and then we're going to hit next, and you'll have to make up a password. And this is my basic Blogger page. You'll have to design a page. So I'm going to come down here and do a new blog so you can see what that looks like. And once you get signed in and have it approved, this is what you'll see. So I'm going to do a new blog for my silly dog things. And this one is going to be called Dear Aunt Rufus. All right, and that's the title that's going to show at the top of your blog page. So here I'm going to put the address that I want it to be, and Aunt Rufus.blogspot.com. Aunt Rufus.blogspot.com. It says that's available. All right, and then before you click your Create Your Blog button, decide what you want your blog to look like. And these are some basic templates. If the blog address is not available, you could add a number in it, or numbers, or come up with another name. That's such a strange blog name that probably was the reason why mine came up right away. So this is Contempo, Soho, Emporio. I've got quite a few of my dog blogs that look like this, so I'm going to go with this one right here and create blog. All right, and I don't want a domain name. Google will let you do about 100 blogs. I have quite a few myself, but not nearly 100. As long as you don't use up all the memory space that they give you. I don't know how many gigabytes that is. So I'm going to say no thanks. All right, and this will happen when you're ready to do your first blog. And Aunt Rufus is going to be a cartoon blog with little cartoons and animations where dogs write in with their personal problems, and Aunt Rufus gives them some off-the-cheek answer. And I want to be able to have readers to put in dog issues and send pictures as well. So I'll have something like that going. So here's where I've created my first page, and you can see what the blog will look like. Clicking that blog there, and there it says Dear Aunt Rufus, and that's your blog pictures will be down here. So that's great. That's good to go. When you're ready to write your first blog, you're going to click New Post, and we will do this, and I can take it out later. So I'll put can't stop chasing cars. Dear Aunt Rufus, I have a terrible urge to run down the street every time a car passes. Help. I don't know how to stop chasing cars. Exclamation point. All right, so after that, and I put what I want to put in my blog, you're going to write a review of your artwork, describe the elements and principles of design, give it a title, put any issues that you had in making it. You're going to put a picture with your artwork. I'm going to put a cartoon of a dog running in the back of a car, which I haven't drawn yet. So you can put your picture. You're going to click Insert an Image. You can do this off of Blogger off your phone, or you can email it to yourself and do it from a computer if you think that's the easier way to do it. So when you get to upload, you also can do a URL. So if you've got your picture elsewhere, but see, you can do it right here from your phone and get your phone image. You can put another one from your blog. If I have it in another one of my blog and I'm reblogging it, I'll use my own URL. You can use a webcam. So you see all the different things you could do. Choosing files. I usually like to save things to my desktop, or if you've got it in your documents, wherever you've got it on your computer, you can do that. If you're in the digital class, it's just as easy to save it in your folder and come and find it in the folder and upload it there. And then click Add Selected. I'm going to click Cancel. I don't have my picture yet, so I'm going to go ahead and save it, and I can come back and publish it when I have my picture. And then I can close that so that I can come back and do that, and I can click Edit and come back and fix that. So the next thing you probably will want to have on your blog is possibly links to anything else that you might want to have on your first blog page. And as you can see here, if you sign in to my regular blog page, this is all the different blogs that I have here. And Aunt Rufus is going to go with the Dr. Theodore Bear and Angels Dog Library page. And they're linked to things that go with specifically the dog pictures themselves. So in Aunt Rufus, when I get to the point where I want to add another page or a link to another page, I'm going to click Design. And then I'm going to come down here into Layout. I believe it's Layout. Yes, Layout here. And under Cross Column or Footer or wherever you want to have your links, you can click Add a Gadget. And it's going to give you a whole lot of different choices that you can put. I want pages. So down here I'll click Pages. And this the options that I've got there. I can click Save. And so if I'm going to click that to Dr. Theodore Bear, and I've got a chance to have headings there. So I go to my Aunt Rufus blog, View Blog, and there you can see I've got my home bar, and I'll put other things across the top. To do that, see this little tool right here? I'll click that, and then I'll click add an external link, and I'll come to Dr. Bear and copy that URL box right there, and I'll have to do it again since it's disappeared. Click new page title. I'll put Dr. Theodore, Theodore Bear, and then I'll paste, make sure I highlight the HTTP and paste the Dr. Bear blog and click save the link, and you're still not done until you pull down and click save. Now under your blog, if you would like, and there it is, Dr. Bear, and I can go back and forth, and I can add 4 or 5 different links up here without having to do anything much different. If you would like for your Pinterest blog assignments to be on this page rather than to be in a Blackboard blog, you can do that. That is totally up to you. A lot of my students do a different blog for each one of their classes, especially if they have me for more than one thing. So it is totally your choice whether or not you add pages to your blog. Good luck, have fun. I think that this should be a lot of fun for you to start doing blogs, and as you can see, it really advertises what you're doing as an artist.